Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you have a Mazda CX-7 guys and your tail lights, park lights do not work guys, we'll show you which relay to check. Now we have a fuse and you have a relay as well for tail lights. We'll explain in today's video which relay it is. We'll guys have a link for the new relay in the description of the video below. You can find the link. Also, quick introduction, we have more than 200 videos on this Mazda CX-7 and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below guys, and let us know if the video was helpful or if it solved your problem. So let's start on it now. So let's show you now, we will have the lights on. I'll turn the lights on and I'm going to show you now guys, okay, how the tail lights do not work. Okay, but the brake lights will work. So, okay, check this thing out now. Tail lights do not work guys on both sides. Okay, no tail lights. Let's hit the brake. Okay, brake lights work. Let go off. Okay, tail lights do not work. So we'll show you guys which relay to check for that now. So let's go ahead and start on it. So next to your car battery guys, you have your fuse box, and this is the cover. There is one clip that we need to push forward, and then grab the cover, pull forward and pull up. Okay, and you get it out. Now the relay that we'll be looking at guys, okay, it's this guy right here. Okay, the second relay. That's the one we need to remove. I usually grab the pliers, okay, and gently pull it out. Okay, careful not to break anything guys. Okay, and it comes out. If you need to buy a new relay guys, we'll have it listed in the description of the video below, and you can see where we buy our replacement parts from. I'll go ahead, grab a new one quick, and we're going to go ahead, install it and see if that takes care of our problem now. Make sure you push it all the way in guys, all the way in, and the relays around it, because you may knock them loose when you remove it with the pliers. Install your cover. Okay, and let's see if that takes care of the problem now. So we'll go ahead, turn the key on, and we'll turn the lights on, headlights on. Headlights on, and now I can even see the park light here. So that definitely guys takes care of our problem, as you can see. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.